Hello, I am here to show you how we are going to use our new math website moving forward from this point on, and that program is called ZEARN. And I just wanted to take you through the steps of launching ZEARN for the first time because it requires a quick little activation code. So go ahead and log into your Gmail, and then from here you're going to hit the waffles and go on over to Classroom and open that up. As always, you're going to click on Mrs. Brandy's class right here. While you're here, take a look at the stream. These are announcements and posts that I've been making and Miss B has been making. Some of these are things that the district is asking us to post. This is not aimed towards any one particular student. This is kind of like a news stream for all parents to see. So take some time and look over some of those things. And if you feel free to leave a comment so I know you're there. But there's some great stuff in here. Head on over to our classwork folder and launch our current week's agenda that's indicated by the green. Red means it should all be complete by now. Open up that agenda, and about 3 or 4 columns down, you're going to find ZEARN. Here it is from math. So for ZEARN, you have to log in through Clever. However, we're used to logging in once you log into Clever and launch ZEARN, it's going to give you an option to log in using your child's Gmail account. We cannot do that using this website. So I've created a username and password for each student. Everyone's password is going to be the word math. However, their username is going to be their S number, which they are all familiar with. They all know their S number. But if they don't, you can click on this quick little link right here. It'll take you back to our Google Classroom where you can look at the ZEARN login cards and look for your child's name and your child's S number in order to be able to log in. Please write that down. You might need that in the future if you're not auto-synced. Okay. So once they go in there, you're going to need to write down this activation code in order to join our class. Write that down because it does not allow you to copy and paste. And once you're in ZEARN, you're going to have your child complete all of the components of Lesson 1, which is called Need for Speed. They're going to complete the Number Gym, Discovery Canyon, a Math Chat, and Tower of Power. Have them complete the entire lesson before moving on, or I should say until they reach Lesson 2. When they reach Lesson 2, you can stop and revisit Lesson 2 tomorrow. Same goes for Lesson 2. Tomorrow, you're going to complete these 4 components until you get to Lesson 3, and so on and so forth. Okay, so let's go ahead and launch ZEARN by clicking on the icon, and it's going to ask us to log in through Clever. You're always going to log in with your Google account to get to Clever. Some of you might already have that auto-synced. And once you get here, you're going to look for ZEARN. Go ahead and launch ZEARN. And here's that place where I told you that typically we're able to sign in using our Google accounts, but we cannot do that for this website. Your child's going to put their S number in and then their password, which is math. But for me, I created a demo account, so I'm going to use that for me and log in. And here's where you're going to enter that class code, which for everyone is FH6R6X. Oops, that wasn't typing. Let's try that again. FH6R6X. There we go. And it's going to say Mrs. Brandy 2019-2020, and you're going to hit Join Class. And you're in. So here it goes. It says a number gym. So yay, you're ready for a new mission. We're completing mission 1, which is multiplying and dividing friendly numbers. Level 1, need for speed. You can X these out if you don't want to see it. It goes away. So you're going to start the number gym. And from here, and then up here you can head back to the home screen if you want to. Now this is going to continue building a list until you get to lesson 2 and you're going to stop. So if you start the lesson, the first lesson is a make it break, which is a very simple lesson. It's just telling you to make 11. You already have 10 here. You're going to put a counter there, click on enter, and you're done. So 10 and what makes 11? 10 and 1 make 11. And they're going to move on through these lessons. Again, most important to remember to please make sure that you are completing all the components until you reach lesson, oops, I can't get that in there, until you reach lesson 2. Okay, so I hope that helps you moving forward. We do need to move on to division, so let's use this ZEARN website, which is fantastic. The first lesson, again, there are some tricky components to this, so I want you to sit with your child and help them get through it. But moving forward, it should get a little bit easier, or they can work more independently, I should say. All right, everyone, I hope you found this helpful, and I hope that everyone's staying healthy and safe. Take care. Bye.